Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a little tutorial on how I tuck my clients' hair whenever their hair color does not match the braiding hair. As you guys can tell, her hair is bleached and the braiding hair that we're going to use is nowhere near her hair color. So we're going to tuck her real hair to where only the braiding hair is showing. I'm going to break down the whole idea of tucking so you guys can get a better understanding of what I mean when it comes to tucking someone's hair. As always, I'm going to start off by pre-sectioning my rows so that the whole braiding process will go by a lot faster. If you've watched my previous videos, then you know that I started using edge control for my parts, but now I'm to the point where I'm trying to play around to see what works best for me. And I think in this video I used the Shining Jam. It worked perfect for her hair texture. And I like the way it felt while braiding, so it's probably going to be something that I continue to use. As you guys can tell, the back of her hair is a little bit more thinner and shorter than the rest of her hair. I didn't want to braid it so that the braids would be slipping off, so I tried a whole nother method for the very back row, only for the back row. You guys can check out my 1-minute video that I have on my page for that row. So after parting that first row, I'm going to skip through the entire first row, but I'm going to jump into this second row where I'm going to show you guys how to tuck. First and foremost, every time that I do box braids, I like to make sure that the hair is laying in a brick method where the hair is not laying directly on top of the hair in the previous row. Naturally, when you're braiding with braiding hair, that hair is going to lay on top of your natural hair and cover it up. So our goal is to make sure that that hair stays covered up, meaning that we're going to keep that natural hair at the bottom of the braiding hair. Doing this does require a lot of patience, so don't feel the need to rush through this entire hairstyle until you get the hang of it. So every time that I crisscross my braid and I see her hair color sticking out, I just twist it back under and continue braiding. If it helps you guys, you can also add edge control or jam to the ends of her hair so that it'll help when it comes to tucking. So I'm going to explain this process to you guys one more time before I let the video play on its own. As I mentioned before, edge control or jam is going to be your best friend. It's my best friend. Every braid and part gets edge control or jam. As I'm putting the pre-stretched braiding hair on top of her natural hair, naturally that braiding hair is going to lay on top of her natural hair. So I'm going to try not to disturb how it's laying, and at all times I'm going to make sure that her natural hair is at the bottom of the braiding hair. Doing that helps tuck away any bit of her hair that you may have seen. You're not always going to get it all. You might see some sticking out, and if you've tried your best to tuck it and it doesn't, leave it how it is. It'll be fine.
So scared of falling down. I just won't climb in the first place. Hold my head under, let me drown. Because I'm empty space and I can't let things lie. It's all stay the same. Give a little stargaze, sit and watch our minds change. Isn't your face one I used to know? Dancing with my eyes closed, lonely on the way home. Maybe I just miss being alone. I'll give forever and a day. Just let me sleep in this morning. I hope you read my letters. Say it's getting better. Say that I don't have to feel this empty feeling. Ooh, maybe I'm not right to choose. I can't bring myself to lose. So fold me over, make me new. Make me new. The rain is pouring down again. The clouds are getting hard to trust. Rip my heart open, be my friend, so I can feel I'm loved. And I can't tell time. It's alright.
Now that I'm done braiding, as always, I'm gonna go ahead and dip the ends with hot water. That's something that I've always done. Putting hot water to the ends kind of helps seal the ends so that it won't unravel. It also helps lay down any flyaways that's at the end.
Fizzled out and sunburned. Maybe I just miss being my own. I'll give forever and a day. Just let me sleep in this morning. I hope you read my letters. Say it's getting better. Say that I don't have to feel this empty feeling. Ooh, maybe I'm not right to choose. I can't bring myself to lose. So fold me over, make me new. Make me new. Got bruises on my legs, don't know where they came from. Trying to sleep in a bed made of bed bugs. Breathing underwater is rooted in my core, 'cause my headaches make the water so warm. Trying to find the button I need to restart. Still haven't removed the tech from my heart. I lost my way, fell off the trail again. This don't feel right, something's gotta bend. I'll give forever and a day. Just let me sleep in this morning. I hope you read my letters. Say it's getting better. Say that I don't have to feel this empty feeling. Ooh.
All right, you guys, so this is how everything looks when I'm done. I love the way everything turned out. Everything blended well. She did end up running out of the burgundy color that you guys see at the bottom in the back, but she had a separate color of red and a separate color of black, which I ended up blending together. If you guys go on my channel, you should see a short little video on how I blended those two colors. But I'm gonna show you guys a little close-up on how everything looks after I tuck everything. Most of the color is going to be at the bottom of the braid, which is a pretty cool way to hide your natural hair color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video.